Hey guys, welcome to Code Essence. This is our fifth video on this YouTube channel, and this is the last part of this ongoing Android UI series. So let's get started. So as per the last video, we have been completed our UI till this point, this product list. So today we'll be implementing these. Okay, wait. Today we'll be implementing this detail screen. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Okay, so let's create another activity. Okay, new activity, give it a name, product detail activity. And we need to like set up a click listener. By clicking on particular product, we'll be sending that particular product's data to the next product detail screen, and we'll be showing the data on on that product detail screen. So we'll go to adapter. In this product detail adapter, we have already set up this click which states open product detail. So we'll just create an intent and to start an activity. So what we'll do is uh, first, to pass the data, we need to pass this data as a parcelable, so that we could like pass entire object in our bundle. So we'll create our model as parcelable. Go here, parcelable, and now you can pass that as a value bundle, and we can just use. Okay, instead of that, what we can do is just create an intent, value intent, and in here we will pass what's the argument. So we can pass context and that class. So we'll use context as holder dot item view dot context, and we'll use product detail activity class. Now intent dot put extra, and in extra we'll use product detail, and in here we'll pass value parcelable. So for that, what we'll do is just we'll use this portion, and it's done. And now just start. Okay, okay, dot item view dot context dot start activity, and in that we'll pass that intent. And now this will open our product detail screen. So let's check it once. So we've started building. It's a Gradle building. So uh, let's think about the UI approaches. So what we can use to implement this UI. So if you can see, there is this background of pink color. So what we'll do is we can create a root layout. Root layout will be a constant layout, and we'll give it a background of pink. Then we'll use frame layout as its child, and we'll give that frame layout a white color. And now we'll add borders to it, like bottom left and bottom right. We'll add a border radius. So we'll like corner those portions, and then we'll use wrap content, so it will keep it as intact, and we use linear layout for this add to cart button. So yeah, I think it's running, still running. So the app is installed successfully. So let's just let me retry it. Okay, so I'm clicking off it. It's product detail activity. So just start developing the UI for it. So as I said, we'll give a pink background to this, and this drawer home. So yeah, it's done. Now we'll use frame layout as a child. Frame layout, we'll give it a width of match parent and wrap content. and we'll give top to top of parent, start of parent and end of parent. Okay, now we'll use constraint layout as its child, match parent wrap content, and we'll use white background as Android color white. And we need to create a custom drawable or custom like layout for this, so we can like give a corner. So for that we'll create another drawable. Okay, yes, here bg background white. So we'll use shape of rectangle, corners, bottom left, bottom right, solid, white. Okay, here we'll just use bg white. Okay, now we'll put some. So let's look at the UI. Oh, let's look at the UI. It's so we need this image, then this text view, then this description, then this price, and there's this quantity kind of a thing here. So let's just, so I'll already like done this text view portion, so we'll just copy that text view portion. I'll just copy this image view, product detail image, this text view. Okay, and we'll give some padding to this constraint layout, padding of like 10 stp. Yeah, it looks fine. And we'll give now, and now there is this quantity thing that we need to implement. So for that we'll use linear layout, linear wrap content, and in this linear layout we'll use, okay, let's just give me this end to end of parent, start to top to top of price, and bottom to bottom of price. Now just we'll use material card view. So why will we be going to use material card view? So let me just share that thing to you. Wait, so yeah, as you can see there is this button minus and plus, and it has some elevation. So to show that elevation we'll use that material card view. In material card view we'll use image view, and we'll give it like 20 stp fix size to both the image views, and we'll give source as IC minus, so we need to just change some color. Instead of this we'll use white color, so we'll just have to put 4 more Fs. It's white already. Now we need to give the linear layout a light pink, or we'll just use this dark pink because it looks fine. So give it a background as color drawer home. Yeah, okay, it's not yet visible, but we'll be able to like check it sometime. We'll use some card elevation 5 stp. We'll use card background color as transparent, so that we could just check these. As you can see, there is this pinkish color that we will be able to see, and we'll also give some padding like 5 SDB. Okay, it didn't work actually. Instead of that, what about margin 5 SDB, and yeah, it works. Now we'll add, and we'll also give it a weight, because to put it all, give every child of this linear layout, if we use weight as one of all the child view, then they will be getting exactly same space. So we'll give this layout weight 1. We'll copy the whole thing and just paste it as it is, and just change IC add, and we'll give it a color. And we'll also add one text view. Layout weight 1, text 1, text style bold, give it a layout gravity center, text color and color white. So it looks good. We'll just add some margin and 10 STP. Give some extra, 20 would be good. Now as you can see, it's done. We'll also give some corner to this background. So for that also we need to create another view, another this custom layout or custom background. So for that we'll just quickly create another drawable with bg add minus, and we'll just copy from that thing because we are running out of some time. Third color door home, and instead of this we'll give corner to everything. So we'll just use radius. And yeah, done. And we'll give it bg add minus, so it will give it less corners. Wait. Like 10 STP would be, I think, okay. Yeah, it looks good. We can also remove, like, once you can arrange it by the way you want. I think it's done. Now we'll just have to use we'll have to add to cart button. So we'll go to here, this, and we'll create another linear layout, give it a wrap content. We'll have to add to cart. Is there any cart? Yes. No. Yes, we have this bg cart, where we have just gave this bg right radius 30 STP and left as 30 STP. So we will be using that directly. So I'll just give it a background quickly at bg cart, right, and give it like top to bottom of this frame layout, and its ID is, I don't know, we have given it. No, so let's give it ID fell main, just copy it, bottom to bottom of parent, start of parent, and to end of parent. So it will be in the center, we have used a layout width and as wrap content, so let's just put some content. For that we'll use text view, wrap content. We'll add cart. I see cart we have already import from these vector asset, so will you give it a pad drawable right as I see cart. We'll give it some text, will be add to cart, text size style bold, let's just give it a bold, doesn't matter. Text size 20 ssp, yeah, give it a padding of 20 sdp. Okay, give some padding, drawable padding as 20 stp. So, and give it a color, text color as thread android color black. So let's quickly run it. I think we have completed this screen finally. So I think there was not some, it was pretty simple. The major learning part was these add or minus kind of view and the add to cart view, and how we can arrange all of these things. Otherwise there was some few text views and image views. So you will find all the resources and stuff like that in my GitHub repo. I'll push my code over there, so we can just go to here and just check this how it is. So it doesn't look that well in these thing, but if whenever you like run on your phone, it will look good. Yeah, it will look good. So I think that's it for this video. If you have any question, just mention it in the comments, or you can just email me whatever you want. If you have any suggestions, please do let me know, and of what kind of videos you want in upcoming videos, because I'll be thinking and just summarizing some of the things, and we'll try to improve, and I'm also looking for some other topics to create videos on. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys.